Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Japanese Mounjaro drink. So this is the drink that has been getting really popular on the social media lately. I've seen a lot of ads and people are creating reels and different short videos and claiming that this drink has already helped them a lot to lose the weight. So now let's dive in and find out what's actually behind those fancy ads. As you can see, this is a homemade drink inspired by the Japanese wellness practice, often promoted for its potential to aid digestion, metabolism, and weight management. This weight management category has been very popular among the social media stars and all that. So as it includes the natural ingredients like matcha, ginger, unbushed plums, and soya seeds, each with purported benefits. So as you can see, I have tried to search for it on the drugs.com, and the signs say that the natural Mounjaro drink's popularity is driven by the purported health benefits of its ingredients. However, there are no clinical trials proving that this drink can match the weight loss effects of prescription Mounjaro. So this is basically a kind of bold claim that the mixture of these four kitchen ingredients is going to help you a lot. This is not how it's going to work, although those ingredients are natural and going to have a lot of benefits separately. But you know, the FDA approved prescription drug that has people with 2 diabetes lose up to 25% of their body weight. So this is also something that was mentioned on the verywellhealth.com. So a so-called natural Mounjaro drink is gaining popularity online as weight loss hack. So in conclusion, I would say like this natural Mounjaro will not have any side effects because it includes all the natural ingredients. So there isn't any harm in trying it out and giving it a shot if it works for you as well. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.